When you are watching a movie or a football match, you can concentrate on it for many hours without any problems. But when it comes to work or study, even the slightest noise can distract us. Ever wonder how? This is not a matter of concentration. It depends on your interest in the work you do. It's easy to concentrate on something you can relate to and find interesting. Now you may be wondering, even though you love studying, why am I not so motivated when I do it? Let's be real. Watching your favorite movie and working on achieving your goals are two different things. Let me show you an example. Imagine that you are watching a football game and in the last 30 minutes, your cousin Sarah sends you a message. Do you pick up the phone and reply to her or wait until the end of the match? I think you will most likely wait until it's all over. Now let's look at the same example from another side. You have a big exam next week, so you know it's time to hit the books. 10 minutes later, your cousin Sarah sends a message asking about your family trip. After exchanging 6 or 7 text messages with her, you look at the time. Bam, 15 minutes, already gone. Not only is it a waste of time, but half of your mind is now blurred. It's so easy to get distracted right away when you work or study. Let's see why it happens in a different way. When you watch a movie or a football match, you will instantly feel happy, thrilled moment by moment. But when you come to study or work, although you know that there will be benefits and happiness in the future, you will quickly get bored because you will not get immediate results. This is why your brain is easily distracted while working or learning. Our mind simply doesn't want us to be in an uncomfortable situation, so we give up and procrastinate quickly, even though we know the value of the study or work. Distraction comes in waves, but these intense urges only last for a short while if you can resist that initial wave. You will be able to carry on your task, instead of stumbling through temptation. So today, I will tell you 4 easy secret hacks that you can use when you feel your mind drifting away. Number 1. The reset brain method. Would you believe me if I told you that our brain has a reset to default switch, like our phone or other electronic devices? With this method, if you are partially unfocused or distracted from other thoughts, you can rearrange your brain to the get back to work mode. Let's see how to do it. It's easy. Whenever you are getting distracted, just close your eyes and look rapidly far left and right 3 times. Then, slowly open your eyes. When you open your eyes, you may feel momentarily giddy, but it seems to act as a kind of brain reset switch. If distractions are too strong, you should do this twice. However, do not do it too many times. Number 2. Doodle art. You heard right. It sounds silly, but it really works. In one study, it was proven that people who doodled during a long, boring voicemail message better recalled the details of the message later than on people who didn't. They concluded that doodling supports cognitive performance and memory. Doodling helps to stabilize the excitation at an optimal level. This is a fun and addictive way to deal with distractions. When you are distracted, grab a pen and paper and draw a doodle. You do not have to be a professional doodler artist for that. Just draw whatever comes to mind, whether it's stars, circles, a stick man, birds, or anything. Do this for 5 minutes every time you feel your mind wandering. This will help you to gather all your scattered attention in one place and refresh your mind. Do not think that doodling is a waste of time. A 5-minute doodle break is better than working continuously with low concentration. Number 3. The magic coin method. You will need a coin for this. Take a coin, place the coin on the table and look at it from 30 to 40 meters away and concentrate your full attention on how the coin looks. Next, you should think that your attention to the coin has powerful energy. Try to force your concentration and focus on the edge of the coin and try to move the coin without physical contact. You need to maintain your concentration by looking at the coin and force your full attention to the edge of the coin. Do this for 5 minutes. When you do that, if the coin starts to move physically, congratulations, you now have real superpower. If not, don't worry, you have a super fresh mind now. Number 4. The rubber band method. This tactic is designed to take you out of your own head and bring you to reality. This is a physical reminder designed to stop overthinking and prevent anxiety. It's easy to do. All you need is a rubber band or an elastic wristband. Take the rubber band and put it on your left hand. The band should fit loosely around your wrist. If it is tight, it is not good in the long term, and there is a chance of bruising your veins. So make sure the rubber band is not too tight, and only wear it when you work or during study time. When unwanted thoughts enter your mind while you work, pull the rubber band and snap it to your wrist twice. It may sting a little, but that little pain can help bring you back to reality and cause you to concentrate more on your work. That's it. Which one is your favorite trick? Let us know in the comments section. If you want to learn more about tips and tricks, then feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.